Everyone, this is Seema Pathak from Nilan's tutorial. Today I am going to explain you all about determinant method. Determinant method of solving simultaneous equation was first given by Swiss mathematician Gabriel Cramer. So it is also known as Cramer's method. Now before solving this determinant method, first you should understand what do you mean by determinant. You can see here AC, BD. Now what do you mean by AB or CD? AB and CD are rows, AC and BD are columns, and the degree of the determinant is what? 2. We read it as determinant AC BD. And if the question is asked, find the value of determinant, so we have to solve it like this. You have to multiply A into D minus B into C. You will get the value of the determinant. For in the board exam, sometimes for 1 mark the question is asked that find the value of the determinant. For example, 5 minus 7 3 0. So same way as I said, we have to solve with the formula, that is AD minus BC. So you will get 5 into 0 minus 3 into minus 7. So you will get 5 zeros are 0 plus 3 minus minus you will get plus, and 3 sevens are 21. The answer of this determinant is 21. Now one more type of question is asked that find the value of x and y. For that, first we have to arrange the given equation in this format, that is a1x b1y equal to c1, a2x b2y equal to c2. So for the value of d, you will get the formula as determinant a1 a2 b1 b2. Dx you will get dx is equal to determinant c1 c2 b1 b2. Here we have to skip a1 a2. For dy we will get determinant a1 a2 c1 c2. Here we are going to skip b1 b2. And for getting the value of x, you will use the x is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d. Now here we can see the question. The one question is given that find the value of x and y. So for finding the value of x and y, we have to apply Cramer's rule. So first we will what we will do, we will compare this equation with the, as I said, with such equation, that is a1x plus b1y equal to c1, a2x plus b2y equal to c2. So as comparing with the equation, before that we have to see whether the given equation is written in the format ax plus by equal to c. If it is not written, first we have to write the equation. As you can see, this is not written in that format. So first we will write 4x plus 3y equal to 4, because here it is minus 4, it will go on the other side, it will become 4. Same way 6x is equal to 8 minus 5y was given, so we will arrange it. We will get 6x plus 5y equal to 8. So now comparing this two equation with the equation which I have said, you will get the values a1 is equal to 4, b1 equal to 3 and c1 equal to 4. Same way a2 is equal to 6, b2 is equal to 5 and c2 equal to 8. Now putting the values in the determinant, for d we will put it as determinant a1 a2 b1 b2. So after putting the value, in place of a1 we will put 4, in place of b1 a2 we will put 6, in place of b1 we will put 3, and in place of b2 we will put 5. So after solving the determinant as per the formula, that is a d minus b c, you will get, so ad minus bc, that is 4 into 5 minus 3 into 6, we will get 20 minus 18 equal to 2. Same way dx is equal to, we will get determinant c1 c2 b1 b2. So after putting the value, we will get the answer as minus 4. The next we will solve dy. Here after putting the values, that is in the formula, that is determinant a1 a2 c1 c2, where after putting the values we will get dy equal to 8. So after applying the Cramer's rule, the value of x we will get as, the formula is x is equal to dx upon d. So as we got the value of dx minus 4 and the value of d 2, so after putting the values and then cancelling it, we will get 2 2s are 4, that is minus 2. The answer for x is minus 2. And the same way, when we will put the value of dy and d for getting the answer for y, we will get 8 upon 2, that is 4. So the solution for this question is minus 2 and 4. If you like my video, please do subscribe, like and share my video. Thank you.